Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this lesson we will try to learn about TOD command. TOD command in Allen Bradley PLC. Decimal to binary, how we can convert the values. But before start this lesson, please like, share and subscribe my channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's get started. First of all, I open my software RS Logix 500, and here first we take one input address from any, and here go to the input section and you can choose any bit address and place it. And second, we will choose that in the compute math section. Here we can found this TOD instruction. TOD instruction, how we can move the values in decimal to binary. First of all, we will choose one data register N7 colon 2 or 0, any data register you can choose. N7 colon 0 for example, and the set value we will take in any other data register N7 colon 1 for example. I will take this again N7 colon 0. Now our address is okay, and make it compile and download to the PLC. Make it yes, and see now, for example, at this N7 colon 0, I give the 2 address, 2 or any, for example, that from 0 to 9 that address look like same value, it will be forwarded into the next data register. After 10 this will be coming in difference. Because of 5 I will write it N7 colon 0, it will be forward 5. If I put it 6 for example, it will be move 6. If I put 9 also it will be 6, put same. When I make it 10, after this will be changed in this data register. Because of binary, this is the 10 of the binary. How much I can explain you in I open my one this chart. For example, this is 10, we have to be find 10 of the binary, how much, that 0 also I will remove this 10. For example, in this values I write in this table from 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, 64 and 128. Simple. When you like to choose or convert in binary, if you can search in Google, also you can search in Google. But 10 how can counts, which figure you have to be count, that you have to be choose 1, and which you have to be no count, that will be 0. Simply we need 10. How much 10 of the figure decimal, how much binary? 8 plus 2 is 10, means 8 here we put 1 and 4 we will put 0, and 2 put we will 1 and 1 also 0. And this is how much answer is our binary. 1 0 1 0 is the our 10 of the binary is our 10 decimal. When we convert in binary, to answer is 1010. So let's check in the program this command is working properly or not. As we will get the table here, integer table, and in integer table we will see this value 10. I forward this N7 colon 0. I forward this 10 value. We are forward this N7 colon 1, means this one number data register. I will make a little bigger after you can see easily. See now This is the 10. This is showing radix. This is the decimal. When I put in the form of binary, after you can see this is the 10 binary. How much? Right, 1010, and this is our address which we will find in the chart. 10 of the binary is 1010. So it means this is our correct address, and this answer giving also correct. And also it's forward in next data register n7 colon 1, and when you see this one n7 colon 1, this forwards 10 is total 0000. Because of this 10 of the binary, how much? This we have to be find. This 10 of the binary, this 10 decimal, for example, this is binary how much? So let's go into the again chart. This figure we have to be find in binary. If I put it this first, we will see in the radix this decimal. When you see in this 10 of the decimal, how much? 16. And the 16 of binary, how much coming? This you can see here in binary. 16 of the binary is 0 0 0 0. So we check in our chart. So see, we need to be find 16 of the binary. How much? Means this is the 16. This is all 0 0 0, and only just here we have to be find. Or here if we count 8 plus 4 plus 2, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 2 14, 14 plus 1 15. Because of this we need 16. So 16 is here we can write only just 1, and all these values will be 0 0 and this 0. You can see this all values will be 0 0 0 0. This is our binary of the 16. This same as you can see it here in n7 colon 1, just 0 0 0 0. And if for example in decimal, this is in octal, this is in decimal, and in decimal for example I put it here 12. How much binary is put in 18, and 18 binary how much we can see in when binary. You go to the binary and you can see in n7 colon 1 1 0 0 1 0. This is the 18, and now we will check in our chart 18 how much coming. 18 binary how much coming. 18 16, here you can write 1, and after you need only 2. 16 plus 2 is 18. Here we can write 1, and answer is what coming? 1 0 0 1 0. 1 0 0 1 0. This is the binary of our 18, and we will check now it here 1 0 0 1 0. This is our binary of 18. As it seems like when you giving the any values in decimal, for example 30 you given, this is the 13, and 13 binary how much coming? 19. It will be increased as a 6 of the pair. It means 13 it's 19. If you put it in 14, it will be give it 20. 14 plus 6, it's the total 20. So 20 of the binary how much? We can check also there in the, this is the 14 binary he shows. Where go this one? No, this is integer address we have to be see. 14 we write in the n7 column 0, or this answer is coming 20. And 20 of the binary how much coming? We can see now. 20 is the binary is how much? Can write it here 20. And for example 16 plus 4 20. This is 1, this is 0, this is 0, and this is 1, and this is also 0. Means how much your address? 100 100. this is the 20 of the binary. So as same as values, you can move through this TOD command. Any value when you write it in the any data register, after this will be continuously make conversion and shows into your in your address. See, this is 14. For example, I will total type it here 15. For example, this is see 15 the binary how much coming, this is 21, and here is coming how much 15, but this is showing 15 actually because of this is showing in hexadecimal. This is 21 how much binary coming, we can see in our chart also. 21 for example, this is the 21, and this is 21 how we can check, 16 plus 4 20, and one more we need, this is 1, 16 1 choose 1, 16 0 0, 16 plus 4, this is also we need 1, and 16 plus 4 20, and one more we need, this 0 and this one we need. So answer is how much, 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 sorry 1 0 1 0 and 1. This is the binary of your 21. And now we check in the program binary how much, this is the 21, and n7 colon 1 we have to check, this is the n7 colon 1. Go to the binary, and this is binary in n7 colon 1. You can see this is 1 0 1 0, start from here 1 0 1 0 1, means this is converting properly in the program. And here also you can see 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1. So this way you can, friends, any datas when you like to convert in decimal to binary, this command will be very helpful, and we can use in the calculations in the programs. This is very helpful and important command, and I hope you understand about this command. If not understand anything, please send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.